Hey guys, so bike repair stands, way too expensive for my blood. So came up with this after drawing down some inspiration on the web. So we got a pipe clamp vise, 2 pieces of black 3/4 inch pipe, pipe flange, 1 inch T, nipple, elbow, reducer back down to 3/4. Little bit of inner tube so you don't scratch your crossbar. You can also turn this to the side and put your seat post in there as well. I'm going to put the bike on there and you'll see what it looks like in a moment. So here we are back again. Bike is in the stand. Let me just turn this over here. Hopefully this turns out. Back at it. So again, crossbar, or you can orient the stand or vise to accommodate your seat post. And yeah, so hopefully this might help out some folks out there. All this for $60 Canadian and a little blood, sweat, and tears, and you're good to go. All right, cheers.